Hey, dude. Hey, man.
Hey!
How you doing, Atelston? What's going on, man? It's so
Oh,
good to see you, man.
whoa, the all-encompassing Jimmy Falcon himself.
Now I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're quite a guy.
Yeah.
First off, your name is Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First,
Yes, sir.
and your I think it's your nickname. Maybe it's your nickname or your stage name is Mr. Pregnant.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Tell me about the Mr. Pregnant part. You know, the Atelston part I could figure out later. You know, but who's this Mr. Pregnant guy? You know what I mean?
Yeah, the all-encompassing Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. That was like my online sobriquet on...
What is the relationship? There's a level of arbitrariness between the word and what the word defines of the object, right? We can remove the word cup and we could replace cup with spoon.
Pervasive in comedy with Mitch Hedberg. Ready? I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's so realistic.